Today we will be showing you how to extract a tape from a VS80 and VS160 tape drive. This tape extraction procedure will work for all VS80 and 160 drives. Please be advised, this is for extraction of a tape from a defective tape drive only. Removing the tape from the drive will not fix the faulty drive, and the drive itself will still need to be replaced. Also, please be advised, before watching the rest of this video, you will need a 9-volt battery with small wire leads connected to it in order to complete this extraction. The only difference in the VS80 and VS160 tape extraction is where the plug is located that you need to use the leads with. On the VS80, you will need to remove the one screw holding the bottom round cover on. Then you can carefully unplug the connector. On the VS160, the connector itself is located under a small hole in the bottom cover. Use a screwdriver to unplug the connector. Now you will need to use the 9-volt battery with the leads. Push the leads against the two wires on the connector with the black lead on the right as shown. This will cause the deck to raise up and push the tape cartridge out. Pull the cartridge out and use a pair of scissors to cut the tape if needed. You will not be able to retrieve any of the media that is in the spool inside. If you are returning the defective drive as a core exchange to the rocket platform, you do not need to reassemble the drive. Simply place the bottom cover back on the drive and ensure that all screws and other small parts are included in the anti-static bag with the drive before shipping it back to us. If you have any further questions about tape extraction from a VS80 or VS160 tape drive, please reach out to us at support@therocketplatform.com. Thanks for watching. This has been another video by the Top 10 USA Video Production Team. We look forward to sharing more content with you going forward, so please check out our YouTube channel and please subscribe so that you get notified whenever we release a new piece of content.